Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we're going to show you how you can pair the Fireboltt BE1200 true wireless earphones with your Android smartphone device. To begin with, you should ensure that you read the user manual to understand exactly how to operate the headphones and that you charge the device to 100%. To begin the pairing process, ensure that Bluetooth is turned on your smartphone. Then go ahead and open the case. Doing this activates the earphones on the inside. You can see that the LEDs light up. Then remove one or both the earphones to enter the pairing mode. On your smartphone, open up the Bluetooth settings panel. Tap on Pair New Device. Your phone will now start searching for all available Bluetooth devices in the vicinity. You can see that the Fireboltt BE1200 has appeared. Tap on the name. The phone will now give you a confirmation prompt whether you wish to proceed with the pairing process or cancel it. Tap on Pair. And that's it. You've now paired it with your smartphone. You can see that it's marked active, and you can also see the battery status, which is 100%. So that's how you pair the Fireboltt BE1200 Bluetooth true wireless earphones with your Android smartphone device. If you'd like us to do similar how-to videos around audio products, please do like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.